What is everyone? This is Motorola's, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update KB5055063 not installing. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting any issues installing this error, or this update I should say, and you're getting errors, the easiest way to fix this is first to go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot until you see this troubleshoot settings options pop up. Click into additional troubleshooter, and in here click into Windows Update and run the troubleshooter. This is most likely going to fix any troubleshoot or update issues that you have, which basically that's what this troubleshooter essentially does. What you want to do on top of this is now go to your search bar and type in services until you see this pop up. In here, find where it says Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. So right here, double click into both of them like one by one. Change the startup type to whatever it is into automatic. If it's running, stop it and start it again. And if it is not running, start it. Once you do this, pretty much, again, you do this for both of them. You should restart your computer and try to do the update. You should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please thumbs up. Guys on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and then Motorola's out. Peace.